everyone, today I'm presenting you a social media application that can be regarded as a powerhouse of entertainment. This application is doing wonders in the market and is highly convenient for the admin as well as the users. Therefore, without wasting any minutes, let us now hop into the application. So, to begin with, towards the left we have the entire admin panel and towards the right we have our application. There are a plethora of functionalities that you can carry through this application and similar data will be visible in the admin panel. Sounds intriguing, right? So let's explore it all. We will start with the dashboard. The dashboard is one of the most important modules for the admin, as the admin can easily have clear and precise insights into the application. Admin can check on the total number of users and the total number of posts in the application. Furthermore, the admin can also check and sort the total number of users and the new users in light of the daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, and even the yearly basis simultaneously. Next, we have the users module. The admin has complete control and access over each and every user that signs into the application, and all the details of the users will be evidently visible to the admin along with the management authority. Now, to comprehend this more precisely, let us first sign up into the application. Let's get started. Now, you will get the option to fill in your phone number or make a sign up via your email ID. So we will be choosing the phone number. Now, you need to set a password for yourself. Next, we will be confirming the password. Now we are good to go. Let's proceed with the signing up. So you will get an OTP on the registered phone number. Let's wait for the same. Okay, we got the OTP. Let us fill in now. Submit. Let us create our profile now. Well, this application is somewhat similar to Instagram, so if you have used that, this application will be pretty comprehensible for you. So we need to first upload a picture. That will be the profile picture. So let's select one random picture. Okay, we are good to go. We can also select a background picture. Now you need to start filling in your details. We'll start with the first name, then the last name. Moving further, we need to create a unique handle. We told you this is somewhat similar to Instagram. Next up, we have the email address. Moving further, the date of birth. Then we need to set a bio for ourselves. Then select the gender, submit, and we are good to go. So you can see that creating a profile was this simple. Now, if we refresh, you will find the user that we just created is also visible in the admin panel. As said, now you can clearly glance over the image of the user, the name, the location, and the description. Then you get a toggle button from where you can block or unblock a user anytime at your convenience. Besides this, you have the action button from where you can view the clear and complete details of the user, edit or delete the same, and on top of that you can also search for a user manually and export the CSV file if needed. So now, before comprehending the entire admin panel, let us now see the functionalities of the application. As said, this app is very similar to Instagram, so we will go to the profile section first. From here you can see that your profile is been portrayed, your name, your image, your background image, and then you see you have the option of post, following, followers and likes. All these details will be portrayed over here. And then you have the home button from where you can follow people. Let's suppose we'll follow these two people. And then you can explore. So when you explore, you will find people who are using the application, the random videos and images, posts and whatnot. Moving further, you have the option of posting something. So let's just add a story first. We can post some pictures also or randomly write any quotations or whatever you feel. we'll be posting it as hello. Okay. Now we have added our story. We can also post any random picture or thought of ours. So we'll be setting it as good afternoon. Let's post this. Now our post is added successfully. Let's go to the profile section. We can see that our post is portrayed over here. Apart from that, any person commenting over this post will also be portrayed here precisely. Moving back to the admin panel, let's go with the content section, that is manage content. So this section is very intriguing, as from here you will have complete control over each and every story uploaded in the application. We can see that we created a post a few minutes ago. Now if we view from here, you will have a clear glimpse of the post, that when it was created, the number of likes it received, the number of comments along with the shares. Moving back, the admin will also have complete details of the entire post, starting from the user's image, the name, when the post was created, the description, the number of likes and comments. Besides this, you get a toggle button mentioned as status, and from here you can block the post if you find it offensive. Furthermore, we have an action button from where you can view the complete post as we said earlier, or delete it at your convenience. And the same thing goes for the story. The admin will get the complete details along with the insights to managing the same. On top of that, you will find a search button from where you can search for a specific content manually, now be it post or story, whatever. Apart from that, you can also export the CSV file if needed. Next comes the manage comment section, and from here you can check on each and every comment posted on the application. So to understand this with more precision, let's make a comment first. Okay, let's comment it as wow post. Now our comment is added. Let's refresh this. So now you can see that our comment is precisely portrayed over here. So all the details starting from the user's image, email ID, phone number, name, the comment itself is clearly visible to the admin. Apart from that, you will also get the action button from where you can view the complete post on which the user commented. Sorted? Let's proceed again. Admin section. From here you can add sub-admins at your convenience. You just need to click on add, fill in the required details, select the verticals where you want to provide the access, save, and then you're good to go. However, we have not selected or added any sub-admin so far. Now before we move into other verticals of the admin panel, let us quickly hop into the application and explore some more of its functionalities. So for that, we'll be going to the profile section. Now over here on the right hand top, you will find the settings option. So let's see what we have in each section over here. So the first one is the edit profile. So from here you can edit all the details that you filled in during the signing up time. You can change the profile picture, the name, your email ID, phone number, or whatever. Moving back, now you have the profile privacy section. So from here you can select that who will be seeing your personal information, if you want to put your status as online or not. If you switch in this toggle button, you will be portrayed as online in the application and your followers can see that you're using the app. And if you switch off this toggle button, nobody will get to know if you're using the application or not. On top of that, you can also select that if you want to keep your post as private or public, and same goes for profile. If you want to put your profile as private or public, it's clearly manageable by you from here. You can just click on update and the same will be portrayed likewise. Moving further, let us now again switch to the admin panel. Now we have the manage notifications module, and from here you can send notifications to all your users in a very easy and efficient way. You just need to click on add notifications, select the notification type, if it is broadcast based, activity based, or content based. Then you need to select the user type if you want to send to all or to the users, or to the sub-admin specifically. Apart from that, type the title of the notification, type the message, save, and the notification will be portrayed all over. Now let us again switch to the application. As we were talking about notifications, you get the option of a toggle button here. If you enable this, you will receive these notifications, and if it is switched as off, you will not receive any notification from the application or from the admin panel itself. So next we have the save post option. So whatever post you will be saving will be portrayed over here. So for that, let us explore and save something first. Okay, let's save this video. Now let's go back. Here you go. So now you can see that you have this video under the save post option. Let's proceed. Next we have the activity by history. So you can check that according to what hour, what activity was performed in the application by you. Next you have the option of profile and tagging, that who will be allowed to share your post with their stories, or who can see the post that you're tagged in on your profile, or review the post that you're tagged in before the post appears on the profile. You can just select according to your convenience, update, and then you're good to go. Moving further, we have the option of changing password as usual. Next, we have the blocking option. So if you want, you can block any user or any follower at your convenience. Next up, we have the option of About App, where you will get the application's information. Then you have the Contact Us. Here you can contact the admin. Next, we have the Request Verification option. Now, you must have seen that certain accounts, like those are the famous ones, they have a right tick in front of the profile. So that is what this functionality is all about. So if you want your account to be verified, you will be filling in these details, and the admin will further approve this request, and if approved, your account will be verified. Simple. Let's explore how. Let's select our first name, the full name, now upload the ID proof. Let's go with a random image right now. We are good to go. Now let's proceed. Let's select the profile that we want. Let's go with actress itself. Submit. Now our request has been sent. Let's go back to the user section. Now from the action button, you will find the request over here. Now if you select the verify button, this account is now approved as a verified account. So you can see that everything can be easily managed from the admin panel in a very comprehensive manner. So let's move forward. Next up, we have the terms and conditions of the application, the privacy policy, and finally you can log out. Now you can see that under the notification section, you got the notification or update that your account is verified. We told you this application is a power hub of entertainment, and you can explore various entertaining videos, post, interact with people, and carry out many more functionalities. So let us again hop into the admin panel. This time we will be checking out the CMS. So from this CMS section, you can easily manage the contact support, change and update the terms and conditions, manage the legal guidelines, change and update the privacy support, and also manage the FAQs in a precise manner. Whatever changes you make on the admin panel, the same will be portrayed on the application also. Moving further, next we have the banner section. From here you can set the banner image, name, and carry out similar operations precisely. Now we have the settings module, from where you can manage your profile according to your convenience. You can edit, update, or change the details anytime you want. Besides this, we have the change password section, from where you can change or update your account password anytime. And finally, we have the last section of our admin panel, that is log out. So the admin can log out according to the convenience. And that was all about our social media app admin panel and the customer application as well. So you can see that it was extremely simple to use. And if you're planning to launch your own social media platform, then I recommend you to click on the link in the description and assist us in getting this panel ready for your business. You can also email us the details or DM us on our social media accounts. Thank you.